So I see this question asked quite a bit, and it refers to leveling kits or even lift kits for different vehicles. In this case, we're just going to say this is for a 2014 to 2018 Silverado, Sierra, but this applies to anything that has control arms with a strut that attaches to it. So a lot of people wonder why whenever they order a 2-inch leveling kit, the spacer block that goes under the strut is only 1 inch thick. So I kind of drew up a pictorial that hopefully will let you see what's going on. Once you see this, you're going to think, absolutely, why didn't I think of that? Now it's completely clear. But basically what you've got here, you've got the lower control arm mount. This is the point, this is the control arm right here. We're going to say this is the control arm. This is where it mounts to the truck. This is where the strut comes down and mounts to the control arm. Your ball joint, your lower ball joint, will be out here on the end of the control arm. Now, the strut's right here. We're going to add a 1 inch spacer, and we're going to drop this control arm down 1 inch at this point. Well, you can see what happens out here. Out here, it's amplified because of the distance from the pivot point to where the strut is, and then the distance to the ball joint. It's now amplified, and it's 2 inches out at the end. So obviously, if the control arm's going down, the truck's got to go up, because you got a tire, wheel and tire on the end of that. So that's pretty much it. If you was to put a 2-inch spacer right here with a pivot point in the same spot, it would be a 4-inch drop down here. So you go 1 inch here, you got 2 inches out here. Go back to 0, you're at 0 there. Pretty simple. That's about it. You guys take care.